Tradition and culture of Assam. Team members Fazil, Niranjan, Adil, Salman, and Visheshwar. We would like to express our special thanks to our teacher Mrs. Manju who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful art integrated activity on tradition and culture of Assam, who also helped us in completing our project. We came to know about so many new things. We are really thankful to her. Secondly, we would also like to thank our parents and friends who helped us a lot in finalizing this project within the limited time frame. Introduction. Assam is the meeting ground of diverse cultures. The people of the enchanting state of Assam is an intermixture of various racial stocks such as Mongoloid, Indo-Burmese, Indo-Iranian, and Aryan. Assam. Assam is a state in northeastern India situated south of the eastern Himalayas along the Brahmaputra and Barak river valleys. Assam covers an area of 78,438 km square. The state is bordered by Bhutan and Arunachal Pradesh to the north, Nagaland and Manipur to the east, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram and Bangladesh to the south, and West Bengal to the west via Siliguri corridor and 22 km wide strip of land that connects the state to the rest of India. Geographical information. Assam is a state in northeastern India known for its wildlife, archaeological sites, and tea plantations. In west, Guwahati, Assam's largest city, features silk bazaars and the hilltop Kamakhya temple. Map of Assam. Tradition. Assam is known for its rich culture and diverse population. The culture of Assam is a fusion of Indo-Burmese, Mongolian, and Aryan influences. The beautiful land is a little paradise on a rocky terrain and worth to be discovered for its pristine beauty. To pay their respect to a person, they present a gamusa to him. It is handmade cotton towel which is embroidered on both ends and worn around. Culture. Assamese culture is traditionally a hybrid one, developed due to assimilation of ethno-culture group of Austric, Dravidian, Tibeto-Burman, and Thai origin in the past. Assam's dressing style. Gamusa is indispensable part of almost all socio-religious ceremonies in Assam. It is derived from Kamarupi word Gamasa, which was used to cover the Bhagavad Purana at the altar. Satriya or Satriya Nritya is one among 8 principal classical Indian dance traditions, whereas some of the other traditions have been revived in the recent past. Satriya has remained a living tradition since its creation by the founder of Vaishnavism in Assam. Assam Thali. The cuisine is very different and tasty. Rice and fish are the staple food and are the main ingredients in Assamese cuisine. Less spicy and less oily are the specialty. Here comes the major milestones in the evolution of Assamese culture. Increasing efforts of standardization in the 20th century alienated the localized forms present in different areas and with less assimilated ethno-culture groups. Symbols. Symbolism is an ancient cultural practice in Assam and is still a very important part of the Assamese way of life. Various elements are used to represent beliefs, feelings, pride, identity, etc. There were many other symbolic elements and designs but are now only found in literature, art, sculpture, architecture, etc. or in use today for only religious purposes. Festivals and traditions. There are diversified important traditional festivals in Assam. Bihu is the most important and common and celebrated all over Assam. Tea industry. The tea industry in Assam is about 172 years old. It occupies an important place and plays a very useful part in the national economy. Robert Bruce in 1823 discovered tea growing wild in Upper Brahmaputra Valley. Tea plantation. Assam tea is a black tea named after the region of its production, Assam, India. Assam tea is manufactured specifically from the plant Camellia sinensis Assamica. Assam tea is indigenous to Assam. Bihu. The festivals of Assam are linked to agriculture. They are called Bihu and are celebrated at different agriculture operations in January and April with music, dance and merrymaking. Bihu is a series of 3 prominent festivals. Primarily a non-religious festival celebrated to mark the seasons and the significant points of the cultivator's life over a yearly cycle. The Bodha tribe. The men of the Boda tribe are simple dresses and can be seen wearing the common dresses of Assam, that is gamosa. They used the gamosa to cover the body waist down to the knee and upper half was meant to keep bare, but with changing modern times, the men are widely accepting shirts as part of their wardrobe. Folk songs. It's not surprised that Assam is rich in folk music. From the time of Kamarupa kingdom followed by Ahom dynasty, Assamese culture has been influenced by each of its rulers except the British rule, which ended the Ahom dynasty. Art and craft. It's been more than 2000 years that various traditional crafts have emerged in Assam. The traditional crafts like pottery and terracotta work, brass craft, jewelry making, musical instruments making, cane, bamboo craft, silk and cotton weaving, and wooden craft are major source of employment for the people of Assam. Weaving. Weaving is the most ancient of all the practices where even now women take pride in the possession and occupation in the handloom industry. Painting is another ancient form which has been known since the time of Chinese traveler Xuanzang. Customs of Assam. Customs and tradition play a significant role in the society, and the Assamese strictly adhere to the customs laid down by their forefathers pertaining to their communities. Job. The Assamese use bamboo to welcome guests because of their attachment to the bamboo culture known as Jabi. This is basically known as the sunshade of Assam. It's made of bamboo strips and dried palm leaves, locally known as tokopa. Traditional jewelry. The jewelry is usually handmade and the designs depict flora and fauna. The people are keen on wearing a beautiful and a unique style of ornaments made of gold and silver and varieties of jewels. Karam. The festival is held on the 11th day of a full moon, Purnima, of the Hindu month of Bhadu, which falls between August and September. It is dedicated to the worship of Karam Devta, the god of power, youth and youthfulness. Bisago or Baisago is one of the most popular seasonal festivals of the Bodhus. In the Assamese language, it is called Bihu. The Bodhus call this popular festival Baisago, which means the start of the new year. Baisago is a borrowed word which means originated from the word Baisa, that means year, or the age, and ago, that means starting or start. This Baisago festival is observed at the beginning of the first month of the Assamese year, around mid-April. Conclusion. As Assam is a growing state, it requires a higher amount of help from our country, which may allow it to grow and achieve a better status in the country or in the whole world. Thanks for your time.